Welcome to Snakes and Creeps, where today I'm going to be rehousing my salmon pink bird eater tarantula. It will be going in this 10-gallon fish tank aquarium. Now first I'm going to add in the potting soil. Now I have it filled about halfway with potting soil and forest floor bedding. I'm going to dampen it up a bit. Now I'm going to set this piece of bark right here. I'm going to dig into the ground and put it like this. Hopefully that is where it will burrow. Now I'm going to try to get this spider in this catch cup. Now I got the spider secure. Time to move it to its new home.
It's huge.
But you got the flashlight right on it where all I see is glare. Here it is. Now I get hit the pause. Now I got to get it out of this cup and hopefully it don't bolt and run out and up the glass and jump on Jenny.
Unleash the beast. Gosh, this thing is huge.
And it's little. I guess this is like the 4th largest tarantula in the world.
It's still big.
Actually, I was duped. Somebody sold this to me as a Goliath bird eater. And it turned out to be a salmon pink bird eater. This is the 4th largest tarantula in the world. I wanted number 1, but oh well. You still go get big. Ooh. Let me poke that thing off. You don't want his hairs to get on you because it's like he'll kick them off, and if it gets on your skin or if you breathe them in, it can be very irritating. They say the poison is no worse than a bee sting if it bites you, but I still don't want to get bit.
It is kind of pretty though. Ooh, there it goes. There it goes.
And there it is.
I do like the light pinks on it. It's really pretty.
All right. Now I'm going to put the lid on, and hopefully it goes in its burrow. And I am going to have a water dish in here in a few minutes. Now I'm going to add in some of these springtails, which they help. Take care of mold and spider poop.
Ew. You don't see them.
Yeah, they're very tiny.
Microscopic?
Not microscopic. They're little white, tiny things.
Let's eat them.
Yeah, they're small.
Little itty bitty.
No.
Oh, you want to
add in this? Now I'm going to add in my new scorpion in its new home.
You think that he's about to attack?
This is my first scorpion I ever owned. I don't know much about him. I think it's called a hottentotta. That's a weird name. I think these are the kind that can light you up. Now, I'm going to put the scorpion in the old tarantula enclosure.
You won't attack. Is that full grown?
You said they get a little bigger. Okay.
Ooh.
Now, hit pause. The container that the scorpion came in is now the tarantula's water bowl.